Do you have scrap fabric? Do you have Stitch Witchery? Great. Let's make a quilt. It's also helpful if you have a mini square, or maybe you have another square that's a little bit bigger. The scrap fabric I had was awfully small, so I needed to use a smaller square. I can show you the size of this. Maybe you see my hands. Oh, no, that's a little bit better. Okay. With the mini square that I'm using, it has a 1/4 inch seam around the edge, and I like that. I can also buy Stitch Witchery or an adhesive bond, something that's an adhesive bond like this that will measure the same 1/4 inch, and then when we iron it together, it measures it for us. I should have mentioned that my square is 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch, but really the final product will be 2 inches by 2 inches. Here I am at my ironing board getting ready to use the fabric and our adhesive tape, which is Stitch Witchery, and my iron is hot and ready to go. It's that easy. I'll open it up and you can see I'm going to do a few of these and then I'm going to sew them together. Now let's get sewing on the pieces that we just ironed. Today I'm using my Disney Brother machine. It's one I've had for a very long time, and it's one of my favorites just because I'm comfortable with it and I've used it for so long. I also have a Singer Brilliance machine. It's one of my newer machines. Now I'm going to go ahead and iron these again, add some more adhesive tape, and sew them together. I'm going to iron the squares I just put through the machine. And next we will add more adhesive tape, the Stitch Witchery. I like how it makes it very secure and makes a very strong quilt. Now you can follow a pattern, or you can just do random colors. This is for fun. Don't make it difficult. If you make it too difficult, it becomes too stressful and you won't enjoy your sewing. Now you can see here the corners meet up nice. Here I was a little bit off, and that's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. It does not have to be perfect. Now I'm going to run it through the machine one more time. It's time to sew the fabric that we just ironed. It helps if you turn your sewing machine on. There's another spot right here. So here we have the completed squares. It's the beginning of the quilt from our scrap fabric. I hope you enjoyed sewing today. Let me know what you think. I'm going to continue working on this, and I'll do another video next week.